Hello, I'm Anna Niemira of BGX Capital, and we are here live at Fintech and Founding Conference 2018, hosted by NCFA. And we have a pleasure to talk to Mr. Peter Paul van Hoeken from FrontFundr. And we are going to talk about the conference. We are going to talk about the issues pertaining to fintech companies. How do you enjoy the conference so far?
So far, it's been really interesting. Yeah.
So you are going to be also a speaker?
I'm going to be on the panel this afternoon. Yes. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
So tell us more about your company.
Yeah, so FrontFundr is an online investing platform. So what we do is we connect companies, typically startup, young companies, with the wider investor community, with the emphasis on wider, so essentially the public. So we enable anyone that wants to invest in a promising young company to participate by investing in the company. And we support that entire process through our online investing platform.
Yes. So is it also like a crowdfunding investing as well?
Yes, it's very much, we're using the same sort of crowdfunding principles. In fact, it's also something referred to as equity crowdfunding. So we're essentially an equity crowdfunding platform, opening investment opportunities up for the crowds.
What kind of the companies mostly you are investing in?
Yeah, so companies on our platform, they're across the board. So we had a craft brewery looking to raise growth capital. We have tech companies. We actually had a ski resort, which is still on our platform right now. So it's a private ski resort, and they're basically inviting all their, the community to invest in the resort. So it's across across different industries, and companies that are typically looking to engage, the wider public to invest in a company and understand how important it is to promote and market the company in that race are typically successful on our platform.
Yes. Well, there's a lot of talk also about blockchain. Like, are you in a way applying the blockchain technology into your platform, or are you planning to do so?
Yeah, we're definitely following that very closely, what's happening in the blockchain space. Very likely we will indeed, use blockchain technologies in our platform and in the foreseeable future. We're also looking at the phenomenon, of course, of the initial token offerings, so the ICOs, particularly those that qualify as a security. So if they rather than a utility, so if they qualify as security, then they fit very well in our platform, which of course deals with securities only, like equity, debt, and ICOs is for us another example of a security. So we're following that very closely. And of course, for us, the challenges, like in the whole industry, is to find those companies, those ICOs that are, viable, quality ICOs.
And fulfilling the criteria the one looking for,
correct,
right?
Yes.
A lot of is being said about ICOs turning into STOs. Do you think that STOs is a future because it fulfills the requirements of the regulatory bodies?
I think that's a tough one. I think it's still very early to, I think the regulators now even trying to wrap their head around ICOs and to what extent to allow that. So I don't know. I think it's definitely something that I see, develop in the future as well. But currently, there's still a lot of question marks from a regulatory perspective. Also with regards, for example, how can we potentially trade those ICOs, right? Where's the secondary market to trade them? So it's quite early to sort of take a position on that.
Yes. Do you think that in a way right now what is happening, the investors, which are currently right now millennials or even younger generation, are they truly into different kind of the investments in comparison to, for example, their parents?
Yeah, so we on our platform, our investor demographics are young. Our largest group is between early 30s to 45, but also below 30. We see investors, millennials, as you say, that invest in companies on our platform, and they do so because we enable them to make relatively small investments. So just to give you an idea, on FrontFundr, you can invest for as little as $100, and you become a co-owner in a company. So we made it accessible to the younger group, millennials, that not necessarily haven't accrued, that's wealthy yet, but can now make investments because they're relatively small investments.
So that's fantastic. So in a way, we can say that currently the type of investor is different than even a decade ago.
I would
Yes.
say that, with a platform like FrontFundr and other platforms that are bringing this online, they engage a totally new group of people that to date have been locked out from investing in small companies because they don't have enough money yet. They're not accredited investors, so we're unlocking a huge group of millennials, of mass affluent investors, customers that now can actually invest on the platform.
Yes. Any immediate plans in regards to your company?
Well, lots of plans, and lots on the move. The exciting thing is we're a startup ourselves as well. So we're a startup helping our startups on our platform, and for us, it's now really we've proven the concept. So we've proven we can execute. We're operating across Canada from coast to coast. So now for us, it's really ramping up, scaling up our platform, bring more companies in our company, and build out our investor community.
Okay, that's perfect. Really appreciate. Thank you so much for being here, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
I will. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you.